Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about describing people, places, and things. Words to express. Improving your conversation. Last time, we already discussed the expression so, to be like, will, well, dude, basically, actually, or, the truth is, really, and, hardly ever. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the remaining expressions that were used in describing people, places, and things. Let's get started.
At least. At least indicates that a situation could be worse. For example,
Ooh, it's so cold outside today.
Well, at least it isn't raining. At least.
well, at least it isn't raining. What about? What about is a way to ask the same question about a different topic. For example,
Julie and I are going.
what about Joshua? What about? What about Joshua? I mean, precedes further explanation of the previous information. For example,
What is she doing every Saturday?
She keeps her house really clean. She dusts and vacuums all day.
she keeps her house really clean. She dusts and vacuums all day. In the first place. In the first place is used to present the first example of why you do or don't like something. For example,
What happened?
I'm not happy in the suburbs. In the first place, it takes me almost 3 hours to get to work. In the first place.
I'm not happy in the suburbs. In the first place, it takes me almost 3 hours to get to work. Then, can introduce a logical conclusion. For example,
I've got my tickets, and my bags are packed.
Then you're all ready to go. Then
you're all ready to go. Come on. Come on is a way to say that someone is exaggerating a little bit. For example,
I have to lose 20 pounds.
come on, Julie, you're not that overweight. Come on.
come on, Julie, you're not that overweight. Wonder. I wonder expresses an unanswered question or doubt. For example,
I wonder if Joshua is already there.
Relax. He just left just a minute ago.
I wonder.
I wonder if Joshua's already there. Wonder. No wonder indicates that something is obvious. For example,
Joshua's smart, charming, kind, and well educated.
No wonder you like him. No wonder.
no wonder you like him. Quite the character. To be quite the character is to be unusual in some way. For example,
He's really quiet and never talks to anybody, yet the girls all like him.
He must be quite the character. Quite the character.
he must be quite the character. Fraternity. A fraternity is an established social group of university men, who often live together in a frat house, and mainly exist for social purposes. Fraternities are also known as Greeks, as they use Greek letters to form their names. Similar organizations exist for women, and are called sororities.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer.
One. Let's go home. I'm blank, tired. A. Really. B. Basically. 1. Let's go home. I'm blank, tired. A. Really. B. Basically. The correct answer is letter A. Really. Let's go home. I'm really tired. 2. We need another player for the team. Blank, Julie? A. What about? B. Actually. The correct answer is letter A. What about? We need another player for the team. What about Julie? 3. It's a really hard course. Blank, I'm up all night studying. A. Then. B. I mean. The correct answer is letter B. I mean. It's a really hard course. I mean, I'm up all night studying. 4. She talks a lot. Blank, she's on the telephone from the time she gets up till she goes to bed. A. Plus. B. Basically. The correct answer is letter B. Basically. She talks a lot. Basically, she's on the telephone from the time she gets up till she goes to bed. 5. This chair is blank, comfortable. I could sit here all day. A. So. B. Seems like. The correct answer is letter A. So. This chair is so comfortable. I could sit here all day.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate response to each of the following questions or remarks.
1. Ben never showed up last night. A. Well, he hardly ever goes out. B. At least he's sick. The correct answer is letter A. Well, he hardly ever goes out. 2. I don't think I'll go to the concert. It's too expensive. A. At least it costs $50. B. Come on, you have plenty of money. The correct answer is letter B. Come on, you have plenty of money. 3. What do you think of the new mayor? A. No wonder he is the mayor. B. At least he shows up at meetings. The correct answer is letter B. At least he shows up at meetings. 4. There's a lot of traffic on Route 55. A. So where are we going? B. What about Route 66? The correct answer is letter B. What about Route 66? 5. So, what do you like about your fraternity? A. In the first place, the guys are really cool. B. Dude, you're quite the character. The correct answer is letter A. In the first place, the guys are really cool.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.